guys, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening kung saang mundo ka man naroroon. Katatapos lang ng aming e-commerce 102 first month, April. And I'm here with a guest of the best in the e-commerce industry. Guys, say hello to our...
Wait, we're having our shots taken. All right, 1, 2. Okay, we're done.
Okay.
Okay, what happened?
Yeah, any invitation to our the next upcoming e-commerce 102
What's that?
May event?
What's that?
E-commerce live, e-commerce 102 live, May 5. Be there, be square.
That's the May 5 event.
Exactly.
I don't been there, man.
No.
I didn't know that.
Okay, he's not going. Okay.
So guys, they are the official, we will be learning from the experts of the e-commerce industry. So I'm inviting you personally, come on May 5, 2012, same venue here at Ortigas. So watch us on Facebook and follow all of them in Facebook.
Exactly. Right. Not too closely. Not too closely.